Okay, we are ready to do a seal coat on the back and sides of this guitar. One last look over everything, make sure everything is exactly the way you want it on the back and sides. The top we'll get to next, but for right now, focus on the back and the sides. Just take a look over everything. It's not really your last opportunity to fix anything, but we're getting pretty close. We don't want to spend all this time putting a finish on and then have to take it off to fix something that we missed. So again, take one last look. If you're happy with it, let's move on to the seal coat. The seal coat is going to lock in our pore filler, and it is going to allow us to turn it over and not really worry about contaminating stuff from our bench to the guitar, or the guitar to the bench, or to the top, so that we can flip it over and work on the top and do a similar process on the top, except we don't need pore fill on the top, thank goodness. All right, to do a seal coat, I just use a 1 pound cut of shellac. I use blonde shellac. You can use whatever color you'd like. I use blonde because when I get to the top, it does not impart any color onto the top, and most of my customers like a more natural looking spruce top rather than like a yellowed spruce or a cedar look. So I'm just taking a clean lint-free cloth, dabbing on my bottle. I use the grain alcohol bottle that I mixed the shellac with because it's got a narrower mouth. Just pretty fast, somewhat light strokes, just enough that you darken the pores. Not trying to do any sort of build. All we want is to seal this. And if you see any places that look like they're super light, like they haven't gotten coated yet, any of those open grains, go ahead and do that now. And switch over to the sides. And remember, this is just the seal coat. We haven't really begun the process of French polishing yet. We'll get to that. With a 1 pound cut, this should be drying pretty quickly. There's a lot of alcohol in there, not much of the actual shellac, so this should be almost flashing off for you. Okay, that's about it for the seal coat. Pretty simple, not much to show there. I'm going to let this dry completely, another 5-10 minutes or so, and then I'll flip it over onto the back, and then we will start preparing the top.